Hey everyone, we are doing day 8 today. Let me check that we are live. Let me check that we are live. Let me check that we are live. Right. Right. Okay, so all good here. Okay, so all good here. Good, all good on YouTube. Cool. Then let's just start it. Let me get some music running. And we will do day 8 using C. I think I have something in 8-bit Ice and Dale. I think it's okay. Well, should we do Ice and Dale? Let's just do Luffy, I guess. Cool. Cool. Stats, no view. Yeah, at some point it doesn't work. Anyway. So let me check what's compile we're using. GCC, it's fine. AOC. Let's just make D8 test txt and Cersei D8 part 1C. Okay, D8. Should be fine like this. Hello, we're doing C today, and I will just use standard library. I was thinking to make some helper function, but I think we will be fine. Let me just do some C stuff. Just import std liberate int main printf hello world return 0. So let's just do c v all we view all the error, I guess. No, it's fine. We all pedantic, and we should be good. Cool. Yeah. So it's working. So how are you guys doing? How was your day? What you were working on? What you were enjoying? Let me just read the stuff. You're still riding a camel across desert island when you spot a sandstorm quickly approaching. When you turn to warn the elf, she disappears. To be fair, she had just finished warning you about ghosts a few minutes ago. Yeah, let's go. Camel pouches labeled maps. Sure enough, it's full of documents about how to navigate the desert. At least you're pretty sure that's what they are. One of the documents contains a list of left-right instruction, and the rest of the documents seem to describe some kind. Seems like you mean to use the left-right instructions to navigate the network. Perhaps if you have the camel follow the same instructions, you can escape the haunted wasteland. Probably not the EST day for C, but who knows? We'll see. The only problem I had is input, but I think I was thinking about this and it's fine. And we don't have map in C, but usually it's fine with most input. After examining the maps for a bit, two nodes stick out, AAA and ZZZ. You feel like AA is where you are now, and you have to follow the left-right instructions till you reach ZZZ. This format defines each node of the network. For example, RL, starting with AAA. You need to look up the next element based on the next left-right instruction in your input. In this example, start with AAA and go right. By choosing the right element of AAA, C, C, C. Then L means to choose the left element of C, 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 Z, Z, Z. By following the left-right instruction, it's in 2 steps. Okay. Of course, you might not find Z right away. If you run out left-right instruction, repeat the whole sequence of instructions necessary. And so on. For example, here's a situation takes 6 steps to reach LLR. Starting, we go on B. From B, we go in A. And then we go in B. And then we go in A. Then we go in B. And then we go in Z. Cool. How many steps are required to reach Z? Seems interesting. And let me just check our inputs. Strings. Yeah, we need map here for sure. BHA. I mean, it's pretty easy, I guess. At least I will not focus on get some magic formula, because this is definitely LR like moving problem. Okay, so let's get started then. So what we want first is read input, read AUC input, right? And we give in file name as oh wait, yeah, this is C. Switch into C mode. File name const char const char file name and wait, we don't need read AUC input because we will be just going through the each line, right? Line pointer, size t n and file. So we need file f open f open right. Let's define file input file name. D8 test txt. Input file name. Is music fine or is it loud? No information. Dude, how there is no information? Are you fucking kidding me? From a still open file and create a new stream for it. Read cool. If f equal null, I think we can do it with dude, this is fucking minimal. This is fucking minimal. If a null, is it yeah print l? Printf. I mean, we don't mind error. No file. Oh wait, we can do even better. Assert f not equal null. ISO ccc, yeah. I think it's include assert h, right? Yes. Line pointer. Can you give us more info? No. Go definition? No. It's if it's pointer, so reference to n. Line pointer. Pointer to char line, and I think we have like this. And let's just do size tn. And can you give us info now? Right. Line pointer. The numbers this function is part of the POSIX and for an official cancellation point. But due to similar to line pointer, can we get a man for this? Oh, we don't have man. Okay, let's find it online. Man get line. Yeah. Of the buffer contain text into line pointer. The buffer is null terminated, includes the line checked if one was found. Is set to null before the call. The getLine will allocate a buffer for storing the line. This buffer should be freed by the user even if getLine failed. Can contain pointed if the buffer is not large enough to hold. Line pointer and n will be updated to reflect buffer address and allocated size. And it return number. Cool. So we do day 8. Do day 8. What the fuck? I call it D8. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, and it return size I think like this. And we need if line not equal null, we want to free it, right? Get line 9. So will it this function get line size t Get the lim. Read up to and include a delimiter from stream into number of checks to read. On of file. This function is part of POSIX. Okay, we good. Let's just try to do it like this. While count size t count equal 0, using the result, is it suggest parentheses? Yeah, fine. Fine parentheses, cool. Let's just do some spaces so we are not lost in it. Standalone value. Cool. So if we print, so what we want is basically count and line, right? Right. Count line. Format unsigned int. Yeah, give me some hints. Type unsigned int, but argument has types long assigned int. Lu. Okay, cool. Lu. Right. And what we have here, we have fucking loop d8. I don't have any input, and I'm printing count. I think it should be starting. Yeah, fine. Like this, and if we do a out, it will be this. So we print in last line all the time, and the number is 2. Dude, I literally fucked C get line. C for dummies. Yeah, this is our case. Buffer, Pierre, no. Get line, buffer. Dude, I literally had some other project where I was using get line. So line is null, len is 0, read is 0. Yes, so we're using read and we check, yeah, not equal -1. Cool. And we don't use len, right? Yeah, we don't use len because it's size of buffer. So what we want to check that it's not and yeah, should be like this. LLR, one line only, an empty line at this point. This is because let me double check again. Read not equal get line, align, find inside FP. Cool. Read while. Yeah, this is definitely fine. So day 8, right? This is fine. The problem is we set in count, we set in get line. This is all good. Printf lu. Printf but what we have in the 8 test, right? Is it because of this? No. Dude, get line, lead, give me some info. You are literally going through the... Wait, what's that? Is input the... Ah, it's our helper. Oh, by the way, we need to close file. Yeah, F close, F. Count. Wait, is it because it's size T? S size T. Yeah, makes sense, dude. S size T. S size T. Nope. Dude, I'm literally doing something wrong. Size T, S size T file, size T char. Line is null, F open, input D8 test. Do we want binary? I don't think so. Do we want binary line? Should we malloc size buffer? No. Get line buffer buff size is to D. You tapped. Oh, why I am stuck with this shit embed file. Embed file, yeah, cool. File descriptor. File descriptor, we have it. Cool. Wait, we have file. Yeah, we want to embed fb. Then read size T, by the way. And the file, I guess we need some kind of end of file stuff. Linux hint, yeah, cool. Size T, yeah, pointer. What example? Example for get line buffer. Yeah, this same stuff, dude. This is same stuff. Should I just man, man, no, man, get line, man, get line. Yeah, get line, size t, get line reads entire line from stream, storing the address of the buffer containing the text into line, but buffer is null terminator. If line pointer is set to null before the call, then getLine will allocate a buffer. This buffer should be freed by the user. Alternatively, before calling, a line can contain pointer updating in the case cycle that reflect the buffer address and allocated size. GetDelim works like getLine, except the line delimiter of this other than new line can be specified as a delimiter argument. Check is not added. Success. Turn the number of checks in the limiter checked but not termination. Cell can be used to handle embedded null bytes in the line read. Example, compare int 8 to 1. To 1? Really? Ah, dude! Thanks. Bruh. Yeah, cool. Thanks. Okay, so we have these, right? And if we do DA tests and like leave it as it is, cool. So we get /n 4. Yeah, makes sense. Dude, thanks. I just stuck to that stuff. I think I just needed more warnings. But yeah, we're fine with that for now. So yeah, now we have count, we have all this stuff. So we have count and line. Cool. So first line will be first line, right? Let's just do it size ti 0 and do I++ here. So what we can do is basically just read first line. We can do it like this, size t. So this is our comments. Right, this is our comments. And in comments we just go through them each time, right? We don't need to parse them or something. What we want to do is str cut, str copy, str and copy, right? No information. Yeah. Destination, source. So let's just do some buffer with directions. I think according to our input, I mean, we're fine with either of those. So we do buff, boom, we do buff here, we take line, we take size of buff, right? byte. Let me check. Destination, source, n. Copy no more than n characters. Yeah, cool. Cool. And what we want to do, there will be /n there. And return value is char. Okay. Be right back, I'll get some water. Okay, let's get back to it. So we have 1 kilobyte boof. I think that should be fine. We want to remove /n. We want to remove /n. I mean, we can just copy. I mean, str/n, str/copy, str/call, yes, str/char, cut. Compare. Dude, what is this? strlen, and we want line. So we are doing strlen line, and it will be line if it's 3. 1, 2, 3. -2. Right. So if it has like 1 and 2, send 1. 2. No, it's 1. Because we will have 0 there too. Let me just double check strnqp. Yeah, C++, CPP, tutorials point. Copy some to n characters, point to 2 by set to test in case well done for certain is less than test will be part with null bytes. Cool. Yeah, should be good. Should be good for that. And now we need our maps, right? So we're skipping. Is it? No, it's one line. So we're skipping next one. We're skipping next one. And we read map, right? Yeah. Let me just check that we are good with commands. Yeah, LLR, right. So now we want to have a map. We want to have a map so we can go once through it to fool this wave map. And time for C hash map implementation. No, we will just do arrays. I just thinking how can we so basically we want to hash this stuff, but this is 3 bytes, right? And they basically unique. 3 bytes, 3 bytes. We can put it all in array, but then we will jump through it, so it will not give us some caching we won't have. Right, because we will jump just through all of these, and I mean it's fine, I guess. Let me just open my calculator and get the, so this is 1, 2, 3, right? If we get so this is 16 megabytes, right? 16 megabytes. And let me get ASCII table. So we have big chars, and they start from 65 of decimal, right? And 90. So basically we take in every char and they're all still 3 values in the range, which means you only need 15 bits to store them. Hello, Steve. Yeah, they're all ASCII letters. Yeah. I mean, this is what I'm doing right now. Like, basically, we have 65, right? We just minus 65. And in case of dude, case of ZZZ, we just calculate them like 90 minus 65, right? And this is like this, 25, 25, 25. 27482. 15 bits. Wait, 26 is So what we want, I mean, we can't calc them, right? Because there can be collisions. We want to set bytes, and what we want is basically index, right? We have array. We need to calc it but by hash, and what we want to do, I mean, if you kept only the lowest 5 bits of the character, plug them next to each other in a single 16-bit int. Yeah. If you kept only, yeah. I just want, I just don't want to go through each bit. Can I just? No, I mean this should be. I just want to make like array, like one-dimensional array, right? For index, we will like calc those sets. And I don't want to write like this hard like hashing function, taking all bits and convert them to int. Like, because for this I will need to go through each bit. For ASCII, the lower 5 bytes of letters already maps AZ to 1, but subtraction also works. Yeah. We just need to go like through shifting every bit, right? To calc this function. Like take 5 bits for every character. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I mean, what I wanted to avoid to write like this, shifting bits to make a hash function a bit easier, like easier to understand. Yeah, and we can't use something like multiply, because then can be collisions. Should I just do three-dimensional array? I mean, we can. There will be like 26, 26, 26, right? So we can just focus on three-dimensional array. But it will be like other hard step when we go in through this three-dimensional array. I mean, I mean, fuck it. Let's do it as three-dimensional array. Why not? Why not? So we can do like so what we will hold is basically dude, where is my input? Is basically two inputs in the same way. Right. 3 bytes. 3 bytes here, 3 bytes here, but basically we need, I guess, pointers. Wait. Wait. We can just have pointers, right? Like we will have this stuff. So we will need to, don't need to calculate hash function. So we can just straight jump to pointers, right? Yeah. So what we will hold is basically let me do should we do it as define or type def? Dude, I don't remember in type def. Do you set is left or right? Type def. Yeah, just give me C type def. Cool. Yeah. So left part is what we take and right is what we get. And left part is what we take. Can we do it as char? Wait, if we have char. I mean, fuck it. Let's just take a look how much data this will be. So basically we have char, right? We have if array is so this is 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. Cool. 3D. Dim free. I don't know. R3. Just cool. R3. R3. And what we have now is R3. Our data. And we want. I mean, we can put it here, right? Just before read map R3. You could allocate once and multiply out to get the indexes. You mean multiply every char? I mean, I think we can have collision in these cases. Or what do you mean? What I want to do is just simple stuff like with a 3-dimensional array, right? And yeah, basically we have data, and this will be malloc free data. And for this, we need a size of. Oh wait, we don't have. We are pointing not to the char. We are pointing to basically 2 pointers, right? Basically to 2 pointers. Let's just do a small structure for that to make it a bit simple. TRs left. So this is pointer. This is pointer to left to right. Dude, but if we have three-dimensional array, should we make it a bit easier with structure? A, B, value. Yeah, I'm making it overcomplicating it. Let's just do it like this. So we have left and right, and we have type specifier missing. We have pointer BTRs expected TRs 1, 2, 3 cool. R3 data. So what we want is size of pointers, and we will have 25 max, right? We will have so this will be 0, and this will be 66.5, right? It will be 1, so we need 1, 2. So we need 96, 90 minus 65 plus 1, right? 26 elements. So we need 26, 26, 26. Right? 26, yeah. Dude, I'm getting kinda big, but I mean, it's fine. Parsing line using strtalk. Where is our input? So we have line, we have count, we want parse line, and what we will get from this is let's just make a struct of pointers, set it here, and we get is a hash map, right? Let's call it basically hash size t. I mean, size t should be fine, I guess. So we have hash, we have pointers. Cool. Let's make a parse line function. So we get line. I think we can do it as const. No, never mind. strtalk is changing it so we have pointers. Yeah, cool. So now from line, let's just get this like this. Cool. CCC for example. So now we take in strtalk, we take in line. I think second argument is string. Yeah, delimiters, string of delimiters. So we want space /n /r/t. Should we get like all of them? I think we fine. I think we find the problem. We will have trim equal comma we will have several of those. Poor line. Poor line. strtalk. And it's a return char pointed to token. Char pointed to token. So if we have nrt and space, then and while one, we doing strtalk. Let's just take a look what we get there. Same stuff. Is it like this, right? And token, and if token equal null, we just break, right? So we won't do it like printf parse line /n printf /n printf token and printf token return 0. Cool. So we unknown type s 53. Yeah, we fucked it here. Are we good now? And use variable hash. Okay, it's fine. Parse line a equal I mean it's good, I guess. I think we can even do it better with just D8P1. We can give it more of this. Let me just do it like this. A space. And should it work fine? AP, yeah. So cool. Let me just double check that all this /n I did is not broken. A equal B right. Wait, BB AZZ. Ah, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So we have 4 of those, right? One of them, we don't have equal, by the way. We can set it here. And it should be fine too. Yeah, so now we just have every 3 of those. And cool, so we have 3 tokens, right? Right, so what we can do is basically from parsing line we have pointers, we have chars. We want kopu. So this will be our hash. Wait, we don't have hash, we have indexes, right? Yes, dude, and yeah, as you said, we can just, dude, is multiply 1 by 1 to it's 1. Let me just think about this, because I'm kind of confused. 1 1 2. If we multiply, we get 2, right? Right. You can take the formula to map from 2D to 1D and add one more iteration. Yeah, I just don't remember how you do that, because I can, but basically we have error, right? We want to jump. Yes, I remember. Yeah, you're right. Cool. Yeah, let's just. Yeah, you're right. I forgot that we have. Yeah, we have array, and every of those is chunks. So we just jump through those. Let's just do it easier then. We remove this fucking AATD3 bullshit. Do it like this. We have pointers. I think it's, yeah, I'm right with size. And we need, yeah, so we have hash, and we do, so we have token, and token will be 1 2 3. Let me just slan, just to be sure. Type int, but yeah, never mind. LD, yeah, so this is free. Yes, so T8, P1. So we have free tokens. And we just doing it like this. So calc hash, and our hash is basically token 1 dimension. Let's just do it dim 26 dim boom. So now we doing so let me just, like, if we have 2, 3, 4, right? This is basically so we have 2, 3, 4. This is like 26. Let's just make it simple. 1, 2, 3. Because we don't have 2D here, right? We have 3D. I mean, we can do like points at 2 arrays, but for 2D dimension 2. Yeah, let me just prove you're right. I mean, you're right for sure. I guess, but I like to prove myself all this stuff. So 1 to 3, especially in C, when you can just get segmentation fault and like, oh my god. So yeah, if it's 1, and like the size is let's just if size is like, let's say 3, right? If it's 1, 2, 3, then we want to skip 3. Right, then we no, wait, not 3, X dimension, yeah. Might help to visualize the version where you multiple the third dimension by the width. You go down the menu rows and you add in a second dimension to the set. Yeah. This is always hard, like this stuff, at least on big inputs, like when you have a small array, it's usually fine. Yeah, I mean, take the rectangular image and stack them into cube, rectangular prism back to back. Yeah. X dimension. Dimension 26. Plus. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense, right? So we take in token 2, multiply by token, but by our dim, plus token 1, and this is 1-dimensional, and now we want to multiply it by dim plus token to right. Zero. Dim. Pim pim pim. Yeah, I think this is it. So, for example, if it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, we just 0 to token 1, token 1, 26, right, is it? Yeah, I think it makes sense. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, I think it is right. So we have 0 plus token 1. It's 1. 1, 26 plus 2, 28. And I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. So now we want next str doc, and this will be our left, right? Yeah, cool. Right, and this is our left, so we doing pointer, doing stir and copy, stir and copy, pointers left. I mean, I guess we're fine with just a copy. And this is our right. Cool. This should be fine. Skip next. Data. Dim dim dim. And let's just print it so we sure. So we have a hash along and side, and we have left, we have right. This is hash, this is pointers left, this is pointers right. e++, mean it should be okay. Unused variable hash. Wait, what? We haven't returned, yeah. So cd8 p1. Yeah, and we return hash. Cool. And e out, and we have left AA, right AA, BB, ZZ. Let me check. Left B, right B. No. I think I fucked it at some point. BB, AZZ. BB, AZZ. Yeah, let me double check this. D8 Cersei D8 part 1. Cersei D8 part 1. So we taking token Cersei. Yeah, this is not line, dude. This is null. Cool. AZZ, ZZ, 6, 4, 5, 6, 9, 5, 4, 6. Yeah, and we need to calculate it right hash. So let me just do it like this. Define the I don't know, like char hash, and what we do is we do in C minus 96, right? Oh, 26? No, not 26, what I'm talking about, 65. 65, and we doing char hash here, char hash here, and char hash here. Is it invalid purposes and directive define? Yeah, define. I think it is hash 0. No, that can be 0 because this is BBB, right? This is wait, yeah, it's AAA. Yeah, then we do in BBB and it will be 703. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. D8 P1. D8 P1. So we have this stuff, we have hash, now we doing data, hash, and we do pointers. I think it's fine, we copying it. And so we have our hash map. And no. Also, wait, we have, we need function for this. Hash, and we get char. We get str. and this is our hash. Can you do, I think you need to have static. Let's just make it preprocessor hash str, token, boom, boom, yeah, invalid, yeah, define, cool. Makes sense, right? And we want something like, I don't know, let's call it just hash and token. Cool. We can remove this one. So now when we have data, we just go through it fully. We just go through it fully and we start with so we do calc, parsing data there, and we do size ts sum. I think we don't need anything for this. Dude, I think we can do yeah, never mind. Sure, let's do calc now. pnToS data. And we will not change it. And we will have some here. We have some here. Cool. We start from AAA. We start if we give it a str. Yeah, it should be fine. It should be fine. Yeah, and we need comments. This is our buff. Right. This is our buff, and we do const char comments. And we start at 0. We take in pointers. Just, I don't know, call it pointers. And this will be 0 for AAA, right? Just a comment. Yeah, we want a reference with an expression of const pointers. And while commands, I mean, we will need char for sure. So we do c equal commands plus plus, and while c pointer to integer conversion, char, no, wait, not the char, no, it's char, right? Commands c equal, dude, what? And summon to char from const char makes integer. The reference, yeah. referencing stuff. Cool. So yeah, while we're going through the string, we have cs command, and basically what we want to get is const char dir as direction, right? And if c equal l, then we are taking pointers left, or in other case we taking pointers right. And this is direction. No, this is not direction. This is how we call it, letters. I don't know. And now we just do pointers equal data hash letters, and because this is const, const, I think, so data, we get pointers, makes sense, right? And we just go, wait, we don't go through commands, we're doing it basically infinitely, and we want to have a start copy of pointer, right? Right, so what is this is mean is we so we have commands start, and this is commands oh wait, we can just commands iter, and we do char c commands iter plus plus, right? So we take in value, and we need to check if it's 0. So we take first letter, process it, and then if we get 0, we want to basically we want to commands iter equal commands, and yeah, just double copy it. Like this, right? Yeah. Cool, I guess. And we doing it. Let's just will be while one. We take letters. We take pointers. But we want no. This is pointers. Letters. Yeah, if Stir compare letters with ZZZ equals 0. I think compare, yeah, equals 0 means they are equal. We doing break. We doing break, and every of those sum. So if we go, is it sum plus plus here? I think. Let's just try to compile it first. Unused variable sum. Let run. Okay, it's fine. If we calc. By the way, Steve, are you here? Are you still here? Yeah, yo. Do you have you played with Zeek? Because I was doing like C programming a lot, and I don't know, I found out Zeek like very useful for me, like more than Rust. I don't know. If you haven't tried it, just play with it, because it's, I don't know. I looked a few times, but I haven't used it for anything. Yeah, I mean, if comparing it to Rust, like, dude, it's just so so easy, and like, I don't know, to like from C perspective, it's so easy to use Zeek. You can, by the way, on my YouTube, you can take a look. I have several videos we was doing with Zeek. If you interested in it, I'll post it here. And yeah, subscribe, by the way, because I'm streaming on YouTube too and making videos. So yeah, I don't know, I found out Zeek like very useful. The problem is just it's still like an alpha version, like 0.12 or something. But it has cross-compiling, it has some memory not memory management, but you basically using allocators, and yeah, it's like more convenient for free stuff, etc. So yeah, let's just assert sum, and it should be, in our case, of course you might not find 0 rate if you run for example, here is situation 6 steps, right? 6 steps, and it seems we good. Let me just log it a bit, so like we're sure we're doing right stuff. Calc command src compare of basically, yeah, fuck it, we just let's just do it like run and see if it's working for us. Nano input day 8 txt. So let's take the input, put it in nano, save, yes, and compile this monster, run, and I think, no, wait. I haven't changed it here, because now we have input day 8, right? Right. And of course we have, no, this is because of assertion. This is because of assertion. D8. Yeah, so we don't want to assert, we want this to be printed. Some L dude L, for fuck's sake, LU some C A out free. I hope it should work. Yeah, cool, we got part 1. Let's just see what we have on part 2. You aren't then close to skipping the 10 positions. Going to take significantly more steps to escape. What if map isn't for people? What if the map is for ghosts? Are ghosts even bound by the laws of space-time? Only one way to find out. Just curious fact, the number of nodes with names ending in A is equal to the number ending in Z. Z wait. For example, here there are 2 starting nodes. And how do we know it? Because they both end with A. As you follow each left-right instruction, use that instruction to simultaneously navigate away from both nodes you're currently on. Use the instruction. Repeat this process until all the nodes you are currently on end with Z. If only some of the nodes you are on end with Z, they act like any other node. You continue as normal. Some of the nodes you are on end with Z. This example you would proceed as follows. This part might be hard. Result value is really big. Result value is very big. Do we have same input, right? Just I'm confused about how many steps does it take before only on nodes that end with Z. So step 1, you choose all the left paths leading to 11B and 22B. Okay. So with this input, dude, I'm tired of this one. Let's just do Esvendale. Maybe 8-bit, I don't know. Same input with multiple start points. Yeah. How are you converting between char and x right now? Are you subtracting a? Char and x6, x, y, z. Yeah, I'm subtracting 65. I think at some point it can be even easier, maybe, in part 2. At least work with, yeah, I'm subtracting 65. Yeah, I mean, this input has digits. But the real input is still the old one without digits, right? So yeah, so we can just I mean change this one. But I think we even get smaller map size because now we are skipping A. By the way, let me, if I do it like this, right? You still, yeah. Just wanted to test it so I can do it a bit louder. Cool. Right, now did you say, yeah, so, yeah, let me just, so this will be 11B and 22B. Cool, so 11B, 22B. You choose all the right paths leading you to A11Z, and yeah, you choose all the right paths leading you to, you end up entirely on nodes that end in Z after 6 steps. So basically, right. And we won't take all the inputs with that end with A, right? Yes. If you convert this something like char value and 1F, so the char it should work for both inputs. Why? Wait, why you saying both inputs? Is it only 2? I think there can be more of these endings with A, right? 1. I mean, it will work the real input and the test input. Yeah, I mean, I can change like this one, right? I mean, I will need to go through each of them, but if you convert with something like char value, yeah, let's just do it this way. I just so now Z input so basically we need to find calc here, main, get line. So while we going through lines, we parsing them, data hash point. Right, here we have all the data. So now we need to find like last A, and for that we can calculate it, right? By the way, I think we need memsed here, right? Or should we just call calloc? And now we need... So basically when we're parsing line, we have parse line, we take calkin hash, and the same point we can check if this one is a ending, right? And we can do it like is a start. We have token, and if token 2 equal 8 a, this is a start token. Let's just do it this. Expected expression, unknown. Yeah, you don't know what is bool, right? Because you need std bool. One, two, right is start. So now when we use parse line, we need is start. Is start. Yeah, let's just do. I will not set it because. Oh wait. So if it's start, we need to save this hash. We need to save this hash, so we want to have starting points, and this will be an array of size t. I mean, it should be fine. Starting points of size. Dude, I mean, we can set some default size, right? I think this should zero it. But yeah, it depends on. It depends on. Starting points count 0, right? Let's just make it big so we're sure. So if it's start, we just do starting points count plus plus, and we save in hash, right? Let's just calculate starting points count. Variable, yeah, it's fine. I mean, we have 6 starting points, I guess. Let's just print it so we are sure about this. It's hash, it's line. Line, I'm fine with line. And yes, so now we do day 8. Cool. So we could have starting points. Now we can calc, and we need data. We need a buffer. Comments. And we need starting points and starting points count. Code definition. Let's just move it to new line. So here we have starting points, and here we have starting points count. Cool. So now we just move in on every of those. And we basically change all of them, right? Right. Dude, I should make a copy of this. src d8 p1 src d8 p1 backup. So now we go in, we zoom, we doing commands iter, we check letters, and we need to compare those letters, right? But we taking not one pointer, but several of those, and let's just do it a bit different. Let's do it char pointer, and this is points, and points count. So here we char like this, right? So we want 10 of a free. Yeah, cool. And we set not the hash, but we need so we have line, we have pointers, we have ball. Oh, we can just, yeah, let's just remove this one, but do it like So we want pointer, and this will be point, right? And we have token. What we do is mem copy point token. Too few arguments. Wait, let's do str copy, but we could use mem copy too. And now this is not 3 but 4 because we have 0 2. Start car point char current point 4. If car point to equal a 0 1 2, right is wait, do I need is start? No, I don't need it start. Starting points, starting points, cure point. Yeah, array type, we need to do mem str copy again. Cool. Size t, so it's points is pointer to pointer. Right. And this is past as points. Is this just a warning? Yeah, percent free of calc from in expected char but element type char. Yeah, this is I mean, this is fine. Yes, I think this is fine. And I guess maybe this is because of starting points. Let me just check points. Dude. So for size ti equals 0, I less than points count, I plus plus, and we do printf, and we do I mean, I guess C is fine. Yeah, makes sense, because there can be yeah, I think char is not it's not what we want here. 116, 24 and 4. Um, Let me do like this. So this will be a pointer. And equal right. Points count. Let's just check. They are fine. Six. I mean, okay. Six and slash s. What if I do this? Let's just do it. I guess I fucked it at some point. So let's just debug it. Is this line 41? Break 41, run. P points. It's pointer 0. Cannot access memory. Cannot access memory. P points. P points. What if we do break main, run? Yes. Next. Cool. P starting points. Is it because I'm set? Yeah, I guess it is. This is the only reason. This is the only fucking reason for sure. Or maybe not. No, it's not. Next. Buff. Okay. P starting points. Yeah, 0 repeats. Wait, 1000. KT, no. So we want 96, right? Continue. Yes, cure point. G is A. Starting point. If I take 0, it will be dude, is this because of me trying to do start GSA? I mean, okay, then if we take in starting points, starting points 0, and now we taking why it can be kinda broken. Continue, like just remove 96, continue, not breaking also set no, run from beginning, right Q, yes. Let me take a look. Where's fucking calc? It's 102 run. P data. P buff. P starting points. And P starting points count. Yes. I mean it's still on stack, so we can go step P points. Yeah, I guess. So if we do it like this, it should be, yeah, it will be, and starting points is still here. Let's just do it a bit different then. If it's so confusing. Subscripted value is not an array. Yeah, it is. It's just we want is and I as 4, right? It's 4 from unspecified type char, but I mean just like this. Yeah, fine. Pointer. Yeah, I guess we can't get pointer because it's not pointer to pointer, right? Yeah, that was my bad. That was my bad. So okay, so we have this stuff. We know how to get those fucking tokens. So now what we do is we have points and we just move, right? And rewrite that array. And then after rewriting, check that all of they are Z, all of those are Z ending. So pointers and pointers 0 dot I mean not. Letters. I think we can just set pointers. Let's do it like this. Size ti equal points count I plus plus. So we going through every of those. We taking letters, and letters is basically points I, right? Points I 4. Right. So we have letters. We have letters. Let's do it Z and count 0 and count 0. So after we got letters, we want to see if C equal L. Letters. We take pointers, right? And pointers is basically hash on letters. With an expression data const pointers. Right. So we're taking hash of letters. We go in left or go in right. We set letters same we do here. Assign into char. Assign into. Can you? Assign and discard const qualifier from pointer. Take a type. Letter. Oi, what I'm doing? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, okay. Cool. Just swapped a bit. Do I have any music here? No. So the 5-1 line, I mean const char pointers left. So we get pointers. We get left or right, and we want to rewrite it. points 0 rewrite mem copy. We want to do mem copy points plus points plus I power 4, right? So if it's 0, if it's 1, cool. And we do mem copy of letters 4 bytes, right? Right. But if letters equal z, we doing an count plus plus, right? And if end count equal points count, that's mean we could, right? Right. Dude, I think something like this. Pass argument starting points. Sure, but yeah, I mean it's fine. A out. Are we going to go like this for ages, or we will be? Yeah, first I need to see that we are doing D8 with that we are doing okay. Yeah, should we just 1 1 A 1 1 B X X so let's take this, take nano D8 test, do like this, and we want yes, and we want D8 test, replace all I don't know, 1 1 1 B, like 1 1 with AA, I think should be fine, right? And all 2 2 with BB. I think that should be fine. And X6. Wait, X. What the fuck is X6? Z Z to Z. Here, that's 1B, 1A, 2A. Did I forgot something? Oh, is X fine? X, I have two things because they both end with A. Repeats until all the nodes you're currently on end with Z. If only some of the nodes end in Z, they act like any other node and you continue as normal. This example would persist follows. Choose all the left paths A, B, and 2B. Choose on the right post leading to C. I think it's fine for test. D8 part 1C. The only thing is we want to change this one, D8 test. GCC. Yeah, A out, sum 6. Let's just after 6 steps. As after 6 steps, so print f. Now let's do like printf start. Printf start, printf end. Just for the sake of simplicity. And we do letters. And we do copy points. Letters for letters. Next. Cool. And we just do okay AAA. And next, where is the start? Start. Okay, start and AA. We're going AAB. Let me just do it. It's mount C data projects AOC and them D8 test. Right. So AA will go AAB, BBA will go BBB. Cool. Then AAB go to AAZ. Yeah, BBB go BBBC. I mean, it's I guess it's working. Right. Dude, should I do like just release mod and it should be fine? Let's just try this. Maximum. Is there fast? Do you mean O fast? Yeah, I mean O fast, thank you. String copy specified bound equals destination size. Yeah, I mean this is what I wanted to do. Let's just do it like this and change our input. Input D8. We can run multi-thread and stuff, but I'm not sure we need it. And we will wait, I guess, too long, right? I have only one of mine. What is type of counter? Counter? What do you mean counter? What count do you mean? How do you count steps? How do I count steps? I mean, it's size T. This should be unsigned long. Should be enough. Size T. Size. Theoretical pair of object. Yeah. Dude, I think we need to. It should accept billions. I think it will be. Let's just see int types. Sign long 8 bytes. No, not 8 bytes. Oh yeah, 8 bytes. So I think that should be fine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think it will be fine. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, we have more. We have more. Dude, I really don't want to run fucking threads for this. Should we optimize it somehow? I don't know. Like, you see me going through it and we are still on it, but it's only one thread. It's only one thread and we need to sync them if we want to go through it. Let's just think how can I optimize this. So basically we are going we get lines, it's fine, we parsing star copy, it's fine, hash is fine, calc calc memset a GD, right? You can calculate steps for every endpoint. After that, find common value. Can calculate steps for every. Yeah. Did we can do like hash letters left, right. Copy points. This and count while one. If and count. It's just me pointing in std in standard input. Mm. Pa-pa-pa-pa-pum. Let me think. Mem copy. Does C have in math H GCD? GCD, what is this? What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. I'm not sure, to be honest. I think it doesn't. Dude, I need to think about it. It's like we can optimize it just other way, and I think this stuff can go to cache, but because we jumping through it, because we jumping through it, data hash letters, and it should optimize it already. Yeah. Mem copy, like basically compile should optimize this stuff, and we have like I guess I mean hashes anyway. Char hash, cool. Plus line. And it also can be my mistake at some point, and it will be in like continuous loop. Dude, not much for sure. 0.3 megabytes. And it will not rise because we not doing any fancy stuff. Why do you asking about how much memory? Mem copy. Mem copy. Can't get why it's not ready yet. I mean, maybe I fucked up at some point, and it's just in a continuous loop. Oh, we have a raid. Um, Hello guys, welcome to channel. Thanks for raiding, Provod. So we're doing day 8 Advent of Code using C, and we doing part 2, but it seems if you brute forcing it to run for a long time. Yeah. This is the point. So we need to optimize, and I'm just kinda tired. Let me just think. So when we jump in from one point to the other one, can we just write a cache, like have a map of jumps, right? We can add. Let me think. I mean, so mm, points count. Dun, dun. Dude, we taking letters from points. We taking hash. We finding it. It's in data. We finding it's in data. Memorizing might not help. How long can cycles possible be? Because it didn't crash means that of them have cycles, and the inputs only so long. Yeah. Uh, have you done the part 2, by the way, Steve? Uh, like, what if we do just print and count and see how it goes? Like, if we're using like, what the main problem here? We just jumping all around, so we don't have cache friendlies here. The only possible cache hit is going through points, and I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's fine, but dude, I could easily fucked up the input. That's why it could be in like while like infinite loop. Mm, let's just do printf and count, like see what is actually going on here, right? I will just stop it because I don't like that we are in this infinite loop. And so, okay, other challenge. Then multiply this one out, and you should be able to do any of them in less than a millisecond or two on modern hardware. The multipliers. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just do. I just want to see that we haven't fucked up any of those. And then I think I'll continue tomorrow, because I kinda tired, so or maybe I'll do it later out of stream. Yeah, so we have counts, right? So something is going here, like so we just need to figure out how to optimize this, right? Dude, can we delete recover? Yeah, cool. Can we delete recover? Remove. No, not this one. Is it here? No. So why the fuck I'm having D8 part 1C? Edit anyway. And count. Yeah. Dude, can you delete this fucking yeah, local state swap file? Yeah, thanks. So we want to delete this one. Quit, remove. Yeah, so I think let me just think about this out of stream, because I'm a bit tired. I think I might start it a bit later if I will doing it. Yeah, but for now we did part 1. Let me just think about part 2. And yeah, I'll start the stream or upload a video. Thank you guys to be here. So I'll continue on part 2. And then I think tomorrow we will switch to day 9. I think we still will do it in C. If you have any questions or something, you can reach out me in YouTube on Twitch. Yeah, and thanks for being here. Have a good weekends.